maybe that was the older depot. Obviously, that's new. You know what? When you're traveling 95, that's the clock that I always see. I've always said that's sort of, it kind of gives Richmond that its infamous look. You know, it kind of helps. I've always seen that. It always looks so cool. Look, I'm under the tracks though. This looks so cool under here. Look at the grass growing out of that one. That's kind of cool with the green trim and the old brick. And that painting has been, or the art on there. Loving's Produce Company, fruits and vegetables. That is so cool. That's really oxidized over time and chipped away. Man, it's like a swap, set up to be like a swap meet or something. Or just people selling different things. I don't. But it's not open. Activate switch. Oh, you have to have some kind of. I don't know. Push to open. Come on. You're pretty much enclosed in this. Yeah, so you got the old wooden railroad track from 150 years ago, whatever, and then you got the new one. Cool. Some good stuff right there. Well, guys, I'm getting on, and I will see you later. There's the clock, the famous. Oh, that's so cool.